How often do your no-show socks actually stay on your foot? Do your socks smell like a bag of dog at the end of the day? Do you have a problem finding matching socks? You need Solosocks, the world's best summer socks. With the new advanced silicone grip technology, Solosocks will stay on your feet forever and ever. Made with biome antimicrobial technology, Solosocks have created a stink-free atmosphere for your feet. Solosocks is a set of 7 single socks designed to mix and match, meaning that you never need to pair socks or waste your socks again. You can reuse the packaging. It's even biodegradable if you don't want to. Solosocks are perfect summer socks. You may end up with a case of pure joy. Summertime love is something you may experience. Solosocks come in a really cool box. Saving time with pairing may cause relaxation. You may have a positive impact on the environment because Solosocks helps fight textile waste, taking a stand in the fight against global warming, unlike some jerks who like to kill polar bears in the Arctic. I mean, they're made of organic cotton. Solosocks. No pairs, just solos.